Hello everyone and welcome back to Banana Life. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been on everyone's mind lately, the keto diet. We're going to explore everything you need to know about the ketogenic diet, from its origins and principles to its benefits, potential risks, and practical tips for getting started. Whether you're considering trying the keto diet or just curious about what it entails, this comprehensive discussion will give you the insights you need. So, let's get started. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating plan that has been around for nearly a century. Originally developed in the 1920s as a treatment for epilepsy, the diet has gained popularity in recent years for its potential to promote weight loss, improve metabolic health, and even enhance mental clarity. But what exactly is the keto diet, and how does it work? At its core, the keto diet is designed to shift your body's primary source of fuel from carbohydrates to fats. Normally, when you eat a meal that contains carbohydrates, your body breaks down those carbs into glucose, which is then used for energy. However, when you significantly reduce your carb intake and replace it with fats, your body enters a state called ketosis. In ketosis, your liver converts fats into molecules called ketones, which become your body's main source of energy. To achieve and maintain ketosis, most people need to consume fewer than 50 grams of carbohydrates per day, though this number can vary depending on individual factors like activity level and metabolic rate. The rest of your daily calories should come from fats, about 70 to 75%, and protein, about 20 to 25%. Foods commonly consumed on the keto diet include meats, fatty fish, eggs, butter, oils, nuts, seeds, avocados, and low-carb vegetables like leafy greens. One of the primary reasons people turn to the keto diet is for its potential to promote weight loss. By shifting your body's fuel source from glucose to ketones, you may experience reduced hunger and cravings, making it easier to consume fewer calories overall. Additionally, some studies suggest that the keto diet can increase the number of calories you burn at rest, further aiding in weight loss. Beyond weight loss, the keto diet has been linked to a variety of other health benefits. For example, research suggests that the diet may help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, which could be particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. Some studies also indicate that the keto diet may help reduce inflammation and improve markers of heart health, such as triglycerides and HDL cholesterol levels. Another potential benefit of the keto diet is its impact on brain health. Because ketones can cross the blood-brain barrier and provide an efficient source of energy for the brain, some people report improved mental clarity, focus, and cognitive function while following a ketogenic eating plan. Additionally, the diet has been shown to have neuroprotective effects and may be beneficial for conditions like Alzheimer's disease and other forms of cognitive decline. Despite these potential benefits, the keto diet is not without its risks and drawbacks. One of the most common challenges people face when starting the diet is known as the keto flu. This temporary condition can occur as your body adapts to burning fat for fuel and is characterized by symptoms like headache, fatigue, nausea, dizziness, and irritability. The keto flu usually lasts for a few days to a week and can be mitigated by staying hydrated, replenishing electrolytes, and gradually reducing carb intake. Another potential downside of the keto diet is its restrictive nature. Because many common foods are high in carbohydrates, following a keto diet can make social situations and dining out more challenging. Additionally, the diet may be difficult to sustain long-term for some people, leading to potential yo-yo dieting and weight regain. There are also some health concerns associated with the keto diet. For example, because the diet is high in saturated fats, some experts worry that it could increase the risk of heart disease in certain individuals. However, research on this topic is mixed, and some studies suggest that the keto diet may actually improve heart health markers. It's important to note that not all fats are created equal, and focusing on healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil can help mitigate this risk. The keto diet may also be low in certain nutrients, particularly fiber, vitamins, and minerals found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. To address this, it's important to include a variety of low-carb vegetables in your diet and consider supplementation if needed. Consulting with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian can help ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs while following the keto diet. If you're considering trying the keto diet, there are a few key steps to get started. First, it's important to do your research and understand the principles of the diet, including which foods to eat and which to avoid. Planning your meals and snacks in advance can help ensure you stay within your carb limits and get enough healthy fats and proteins. Next, consider gradually reducing your carb intake rather than making a sudden, drastic change. This can help minimize the symptoms of the keto flu and make the transition to ketosis smoother. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods and avoid processed and packaged foods that may contain hidden carbs or unhealthy fats. Staying hydrated and replenishing electrolytes is also crucial when starting the keto diet. Drinking plenty of water and consuming foods rich in potassium, magnesium, and sodium can help prevent dehydration and electrolyte imbalances, which are common during the initial phase of the diet. Monitoring your ketone levels can help you determine whether you're in ketosis and adjust your diet as needed. There are several methods for measuring ketones, including urine test strips, blood ketone meters, and breath analyzers. While each method has its pros and cons, blood ketone meters are generally considered the most accurate. It's also important to listen to your body and adjust your diet and lifestyle as needed. Everyone's response to the keto diet is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Pay attention to how you feel, both physically and mentally, and make changes if you experience any negative side effects or find the diet too restrictive. As with any diet, it's important to approach the keto diet with a balanced and realistic mindset. While the diet may offer several potential benefits, it's not a magic solution for weight loss or health. It's also not the only way to achieve your health and fitness goals. Finding an eating plan that works for you and is sustainable in the long term is key to achieving and maintaining optimal health. In conclusion, the ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating plan that has been around for nearly a century. It works by shifting your body's primary source of fuel from carbohydrates to fats, resulting in a state called ketosis. While the keto diet has been linked to several potential benefits, including weight loss, improved metabolic health, and enhanced mental clarity, it also comes with its own set of risks and challenges. If you're considering trying the keto diet, it's important to do your research, plan your meals, stay hydrated, and listen to your body. Consulting with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian can also help ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs and addressing any potential health concerns. Thank you for joining me on Banana Life today. I hope you found this discussion on the truth about keto diets helpful and informative. Stay healthy, stay balanced, and see you in the next video.